So good afternoon, everyone. Stay with me 5 minutes and then the coffee will be yours. I was asked to provide some concluding remarks on the panel on international cooperation and partnership. I'm coming from DG IMPA as well, and the same unit as Thibault, and we are indeed looking after international cooperation. So to go to the core of the concluding remark, let me remind you key principles that for us are important on our ongoing activity. So you heard perhaps about Global Gateway and the need of promoting digital transformation in a human-centric approach. The Global Gateway is the EU offer to partner country for a fair transition. And it's also the EU offer that is supposed to meet digital infrastructure needs. And here we are coming to Earth observation. You heard about a possible blueprint. So we are always looking at infrastructure needs and how this can be addressed from a digital point of view. We are looking at how to strengthen the institutional capacity in partner countries or how we can support strengthening. We are looking into provision of geospatial services and how to strengthen private sector. How to strengthen private sector is coming, how we do this through innovative partnership. So we recognize the partnership are vital for scaling up the impact of digital technologies. Via the Digital for Development Hub and in a Team Europe spirit, so coming everyone together, member state, academia, private sector, and the institution, we are aiming at establishing collaboration with all those actors. Not only it drives the uptake and the use of Earth observation data, but it also provide opportunity for growth, a new market for the companies, of course. The scope, of course, we are DG IMPA, so we have a global approach to challenges. We tackle environmental and development challenges. We know that it requires a global perspective, but also a coordinated action. And again, the way we are trying to do this is what we call Team Europe, bringing all actors together and try to coordinate our approach. We are committing to promote an ecosystem approach that integrates not only the infrastructure, as I was saying before, the connectivity part, for instance, but also an enabling environment, trying to support all what we know and we call it downstream to flourish around this program and this project, which is hopefully will also help the sustainability aspect. So these are our key principles, and I think you may find it back again in the presentation that were done earlier on. But some reflection from the panel that I heard earlier on, the importance of inclusivity, ownership, sustainable solution. But last but not least, I think is where I want to focus a little bit more, the power of collaboration, not only cross-sector, but also cross-actor. So bringing different actors together, in this case, it's the public and the private, just to put an accent on that topic. We believe that is key, especially in this international cooperation context, to promote sustainable partnership. Sustainable partnerships are needed. We all build from a global perspective, but we need a tailor-made solution. So we need to go local. Before the speaker was bringing the example of an application that is translated in local language. These are simple but essential point and topic to be tackled in order for the solution to be sustainable in the future. And there is where we see the importance of the private sector and where the private sector can play an important role. So we are coming in from a public point of view, hopefully fostering an enabling environment where then different partners can come in and play their role. So in conclusion, of course, our core mandate is to reduce poverty and support, among others, the SDG implementation. However, we all know we are living in a geopolitical context, and we need to keep in mind the Global Gateway principle, so the infrastructure point of view. We are exploring new ways of working with the private sector more and more, especially in international context. We are adapting to this new context, and we are eager to engage more, to do more also for this partner. We are deeply committed to advance the use of digital technology and innovation. I think the two are extremely important, are two sides, but both very important, in both the private and the public sector. We believe that by working together, we can create a more connected, equitable, and sustainable program. Well, of course, thank you for listening to my wrapping up, and have a good coffee now.